Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I was a bit confused. There are few possibilities that are making me to stand away from trading today. So I have decided to take the highest and lowest possible extreme bottom or extreme top to find an entry. Well, let's get back to our daily narrations. What a day of twists and turns was yesterday. Well, we are happy to get that second lot chance to TP 1952 and 1945 at 1935, a lottery that gave 100 and 170 pips in bonus. This is the result of taking two lots every time. Get one TP at 50 pips to relax your nerves and feel nourished, and keep other on break even for a chance to get some more pips. Trust me, once or twice a month you will enjoy this bonus as ye did right now. Okay, for the next session, as I have already expressed my feeling that I am confused, nothing is clear. Price is at the bottom, but SMAs in H4 time frame has already crossed, that is 44 crossing SMA 200, and they are about to initiate golden cross. H1 is already bullish, but with a slight bend and the momentum has gone bearish. Still, there are chances of a speed buy to come as it happened for a while from 28 to 34 in minutes. We have experienced it yesterday, but it halted anyway. I simply don't have a clear vision for a low risk sell or low risk buy. So the day might end up in observation and waiting. I'll wait for the SMA 44 and SMA 200 in H1 time frame to join at one of the FIBO level to make a scenario for the day, and then might choose an entry if the price tests them as support or resistance. However, SMC is indicating 1938 and 1946 as sell area in H1 and 1915 as buy area in H4. Let's wait and watch which comes first. Take care.